Oh no! Mini Boy sees Robot stuck on the roof. Let's help him safely.
Vroom! Minicar rushes to help. Quick, we need a plan to save Robot. Beep beep. Mini-bots are building a bridge. Teamwork makes it possible.
Step by step, Mini Boy crosses the bridge. Almost there.
Pull! Robots and Minicar work together down safely. Hooray! Hooray! Mini friends save the day. Helping each other is the best adventure. Hooray! Best adventure!